India has a vast and forested land, making it one of the most efficient countries in terms of forest production and stewardship. In terms of forest management, India follows the Pools and Woods Directive of the European Union. This means that countries that are part of the European Union are required to take into account the interests of the forested sector in their economic development plan. There are two types of forest production in India: tree growing and logging. Tree-growing forests are created by growing a type of tree that is different from the ones that are grown on Earth. These forests are typically rich in environmental effects, as well as being incredibly hard to deforest. In the Western world, tree-growing forests are often seen as a big voice for the environment. However, in India, the reality is quite different. The forest sector in India is very young, and much of what we see today is just a bit of a startup. The Forest Department has been trying to get a handle on the environmental effects of its work in the forest, and has been investing in research and development. One of the most important aspects of forest development in India is the creation of forest land, as this is what will result in the full benefits of the forest.